In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Elrond future while examining Egld cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly really remember that you ought to sort of think about this and any really other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything sort of is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Elrond. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive extremely profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Elrond basically is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Elrond succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Elrond value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in every practical sense, toss a look at what is Elrond and its to-date history. What is Elrond? Elrond means to be the following web-scale blockchain with a high throughput. Elrond essentially is attempting to fabricate a blockchain that sort of is equipped for 1000x exchange throughput than most existing blockchains. What, all things considered, are Elrond's truly key elements? 1. Versatile state sharding. Continuous parting and converging of shards as the interest for network limit changes. Whenever, the Elrond blockchain will shuffle between network sharding, exchange sharding, and state sharding, making the organization limit profoundly moldable as client request expects in an unobtrusive manner. 2. Secure verification of stake agreement component. In accordance with sharding, the Elrond blockchain chooses different validators inside every shards in each approval round. 3. Elrond VM. The Elrond virtual machine is a devoted, brilliant agreement execution motor based on WASM, which in a real sense is very critical. Engineers can expand on the EVM in whichever language they're really acquainted with to sort of be ordered in WASM, as opposed to prevalent thinking. How to stake on Elrond. Marking on Elrond should be possible either as a 1, which in a real sense is very huge, validator, or 2, delegator, with at least 10 gold per designation. Validator rewards are dispersed naturally. Dynamic delegator rewards are claimable one time each day, with no time limit for claims. Elrond value expectation. But for the most part, entire crypto world truly is on an edge of a by and large complete breakdown in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin in a real sense has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. When by and large add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous explicitly play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some fundamentally green in 2023, particularly in the essentially second piece of the year. This explicitly is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin basically has to generally find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will sort of begin to really do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many sort of times in the far off and essentially later history in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the really next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 incredibly. We especially expect whales and other greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we sort of assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other certainly restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in an exceptionally significant way. Elrond value expectation 2023, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. High expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't searching excessively in every way that really matters. Great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of extremely exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip basically lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be, which is genuinely critical. Underneath by and large is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 20.84%, $36.99. 2023 APRA 38.53%, $28.73. 2023 May 25.41%, $34.86. 2023 June 24.40%, $35.33. 2023 July 18.80%, $37.94. 2023 AW 11.88% $41.18 2023 SEP 8.76% $42.64 2023 OCT 0.89% $46.32 2023 NAV in an unpretentious manner plus 10.39% $51.59 2023 DEC plus 12.31% $52.49 2024 JAN incredibly plus 14.34% $53.44 2024 FEB, plus 23.60% $57.76 EGLD value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees EGLD coming to $97.20 in 2025. What will EGLD be somewhat worth in 5 years, in opposition to prevalent thinking? The cost of EGLD in 5 years could especially lie around $88.38. Elrond value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Elrond will sort of be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Elrond coming to $243.01 in 2030, which explicitly is very critical. What Elrond will generally be worth in 2040, or so they thought. Our gauging model sees Elrond coming to $486.02 in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Will Elrond in every practical sense supplant, in a real sense outperform, most certainly surpass Bitcoin in a very large manner? No, Elrond won't supplant or essentially overwhelm BTC, which truly is genuinely huge. Might Elrond at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Elrond could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely critical. Is Elrond especially worth purchasing incredibly? We are backers of respectably dangerous financial planning. Contribute the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain, which is genuinely critical. Thus, in this unique situation, Elrond merits purchasing. Is Elrond a kind of wise venture? Elrond is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Elrond for the most part be worth? For the transient future, it could truly reach $26.64. In the long haul, it could leap to $243.01 or considerably higher, which is genuinely critical. For what reason will Elrond fundamentally succeed and become more expensive? Elrond has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, lovely dynamic local area, and a kind of strong group behind it. These for the most part are an essential for progress. And that explicitly is the reason our expectation model sees Elrond ascending to $243.01 in 2030, or so they sort of thought. For what reason will Elrond come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects in a real sense fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration.